Condenser unit power surge damage symptoms can totally mess up your air conditioner and leave you sweating when you least want to. So, if your AC suddenly stops cooling or starts making weird noises, that could be a sign your condenser unit got zapped by a power surge. First off, check the electrical components like the capacitor and contactor. Those little guys often take the hit. If you see any burn marks, bulging parts, or a weird smell, it's probably time to replace those parts. Sometimes the fan motor or compressor can get fried too, and that's a bigger problem to fix. Don't forget to inspect the wiring for any melted insulation or loose connections because those can cause more trouble down the line. Always unplug the unit before poking around. Safety first, you know? If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, calling a pro is definitely the way to go. Keeping a surge protector for your AC unit in place can save you from future headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with condenser unit power surge damage is ignoring early warning signs like strange noises or weak airflow, which only makes repairs costlier later on. Another common issue is trying to fix electrical parts without proper knowledge, leading to more damage or even injury. Seriously, don't mess with high voltage if you're not sure. Lastly, not replacing damaged components promptly can cause the whole system to fail, so don't wait around hoping it'll get better on its own. To get those parts swapped out as soon as possible, BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making sure everyone gets what they need without the stress.